Is your Ford Transit key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Common symptoms include intermittent locking or unlocking and a dim LED flash when pressing buttons. You'll need a flat screwdriver or key to open the case and a new CR2032 battery. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. Step 1. Gently pry open the fob case using a flat screwdriver or key. Some models have a release button or clip. Step 2. The CR2032 battery is located under a rubber gasket. Carefully remove the gasket to access it without damaging the internal antenna. Step 3. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Make sure the orientation is correct. Step 4. Snap the case back together securely to ensure a good seal. Remember to check your key fob battery annually, as experts note that most remote issues are battery related. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, move on to the next section for troubleshooting. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, start with a programming reset. Turn the ignition key to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds, then remove the key. This often restores the key fob's connection to the vehicle. Next, carefully open the key fob and inspect for moisture or corrosion. Look at the circuit board and battery contacts. Moisture ingress is common in harsh weather and can cause signal issues. If you find corrosion, gently clean the battery contacts and circuit board with isopropyl alcohol. Apply with a soft cloth or cotton swab, then let it dry completely before reassembling. This often fixes intermittent signal problems. Test the key fob away from the vehicle to check for signal interference. Metal objects, electronic devices, or even other keys can block the radio signal. Try using the fob in open space away from these potential blockers. As a last resort, consider professional help. Improper disassembly can void warranties. Check for Ford recalls, especially for 2019-2023 Transit Connect models with faulty seals causing water damage. Statistics show that programmed fixes reduce vehicle downtime by 40% compared to full replacements.